Sensory details, bringing words to life. Hello, aspiring writers. Today, we'll dive into a key component of vivid, engaging writing, using sensory details to create vivid imagery. This technique breathes life into your work, transforming it from simple text on a page to a world your readers can see, feel, smell, hear, and taste. First, let's clarify what we mean by sensory details. These are descriptive elements that engage the reader's five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. When used effectively, sensory details can transport your readers directly into the story you're telling. Imagine being able to taste the bitterness of a character's black coffee, smell the rain-soaked streets of a city, hear the rustling of leaves in a quiet forest, see the awe-inspiring view from a mountaintop, or feel the warmth of a loved one's hug. That's the power of sensory details. The beauty of sensory details lies in their ability to create vivid imagery. But how exactly do we achieve this? Let's start with an example. Consider this sentence: "He walked into the room." This is functional. It tells us what's happening, but it's not very engaging. Now, let's sprinkle in some sensory details. The worn wooden floor creaked under his weight as he entered the dimly lit room, a faint scent of dust and old books hanging in the air. Notice how the second sentence paints a more vivid picture. You can almost hear the creaking floor, see the dim lighting, and smell the dusty air. This is the magic of sensory details. Let's do a practical exercise together. Consider this plain sentence: "She ate the apple." Now, think about how you can use sensory details to make this more vivid. For instance, she crunched into the apple, its tart sweetness tingling on her tongue as juice dripped down her chin. Try it out with other sentences. Remember, the goal is to make your reader feel like they're experiencing the scene, not just reading about it. Here are some tips for using sensory details effectively. 1. Balance is key. Don't overwhelm your readers with too much sensory information at once. Sprinkle it throughout your writing. 2. Quality over quantity. Instead of listing sensory details, weave them into your sentences to create a seamless narrative. 3. Show, don't tell. Instead of saying a character is scared, describe their racing heart, sweaty palms, and the chill creeping up their spine. 4. Use sensory details to convey emotion. The world looks, sounds, and feels different depending on our mood. Use this to your advantage. And that's a wrap, budding writers. We hope you're now excited to use sensory details in your writing. Remember, your words are the paintbrush, your pages the canvas, and sensory details the colors that bring your masterpiece to life. Keep practicing, and your writing will become more vibrant and immersive with each story you tell. Happy writing!